Hey Breckenridge residents, the long-awaited pool project is up and running. We got permits from Wake County Health Department. We got all our permits from the Morrisville town, and we met with our crews, Rally Pools. We are just waiting for the right weather. The contractor said it will take 5 months. So we are expecting the project to be completed by May 1st week. And we are ready to rock and roll from our end. So let's go in and look at what we have for this project. So what's new in this pool, that new pool that we are getting? The present pool has a capacity of 75,000 gallons. So the new pool is going to have 105,000 gallons. On this side, we'll have 3.5 feet deep, and the other side is going to have 5 feet deep. We are planning to have springboards, like diving boards on the other side. It's going to have 6-lane pool, and also on this side we are planning to have a small slide for the kids. There's a zero landing on the kids pool, and we have having a small mushroom and small jet streams. Every lighting is LED, and they are color LEDs. We'll have 3 gates, 1 entry gate and 2 exit gates. So obviously we have 1 main gate there. So we'll have 1 gate here, which is going to be in the middle, and where we usually have the Christmas tree next to that. Your cooperation is important. In the next 1 or 2 months, the slab foundation and the concrete has to be poured in. So there will be huge concrete trucks which will be coming in to pour the concrete, and at times we might be having instances of closing this walkway, or 1 or 2 times when the real concrete is getting poured in, close this Parkside Valley. So we will notify the town and also the members to cooperate with us.